What's up, guys? I am here with a cleaning video, and this was actually filmed on Christmas Eve. So I'm just going all around my house, picking up, trying to get things in order, because we all know how crazy things are on Christmas and how your living room just kind of becomes trashed. So I'm trying to get a head start and just clean everything up. I'm not going to really talk throughout the video. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let the music play and let you guys just sit back and enjoy watching me clean. You'll see Trevor, my son, popping in and out of the video. He's keeping himself entertained with all the excitement of Christmas. So so I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. I hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you later.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you,
And you got me too.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go. It's a place alive. It's a place alive.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six geese a-laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven swans a-singing, six geese a-laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Everybody's at the record house, rocking at the record house. If the man rocking at the record house, baby, baby, rocking at the record house. If the man rocking at the record house, if the baby, rolling at the record house, rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking, rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking, rocking and rolling, rolling and rocking, rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking at the record house. Ya do ba do ba do ba ya do ya do ba do ba ya do ya do ba ya do ba ya do everybody's at the record house. Ya do ba ya do
Okay guys, if you made it to the end, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
It's
There's a straight edge on it, so it's very easy.